Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all speakers on this device, and the first one is right here on the top, the second is at the bottom, and the third one is right here, and that's the phone call speaker. So we're gonna play some music and then try and then we're gonna try covering each speaker with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, this means the phone has a stereo speaker. If it all comes from only one, this means it's mono speaker. So let's try that. So clearly the sound is coming from both of the sources, so this means it has a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.